Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to the WRRD News. Today is Friday, September 18th, 2020. Please pause for a minute of silence. Thank you. Now, please stand and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your chest.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
Thank you. In Rolling Ridge News, meals can be picked up at Rolling Ridge Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The weather today will be somewhat sunny with a chance of partly cloudy. Rain is not impossible or certain. Today's high temperature will be greater than today's low temperature. During the quarantine, I started doing some farming. I'd introduce you to my sheep, but they were too bashful. I'd introduce you to my cow, but she moved away. I'd introduce you to my pig, but he's baking in the kitchen. I have some ducks, but they're outside. Do you know how expensive ducks are? Oh, the bills. And now for our question of the day. Where can you cook dinner in the jungle? Where can you cook dinner in the jungle? On the gorilla. In all seriousness, everybody, I just want to say that all the grown-ups at Rolling Ridge have had a great time getting to know you over the first 2 weeks of school. The beginning of this year is a chance to be successful in a new way. Nobody's good at everything, and we're probably not going to be good at anything the first time we try it. But we try, and it works or it doesn't, and we try again. And sometimes it seems like nothing is going right. But eventually, through all our failures, we learn what we care about. We learn how strong we are, and we learn where we want to go in the future. All right, friends, I have to go. I need to feed those ducks. Cheese and quackers again. Let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge Elementary, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, bully free should start with me. 9876543. We'll be the best that we can be. HIJKLMNOP. We'll choose to spread positivity. 84,603. Wherever we might happen to be. QRS, TUV, WX, Y, and Z. Because we're champs. We're family. Have a great day, Roadrunners.